Hey kids, it's me, Flamingo, the best Animal Jam YouTuber around, and today I literally have absolutely no plan of what to do. No, don't leave me, no, don't leave me, no! There is nothing more lit than logging on to Animal Jam on a Sunday afternoon and washing your pet. Oh yes, so good. I still don't understand why our pets get a spa and we don't. In what instance would I ever need to purchase a giant magnet in Animal Jam? I used to literally be a pro at doing the journey books, but now, like a month later after this land was released, according to the clickbait YouTubers who call this a land, I've gotten 1, 2, 3 items out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. So that's a fourth of the items in 1 month, so yeah. You know it's a busy day in Alden when you spawn in Kinbara Outback. I don't know about you, but I was not done getting all my items in Graham's workshop. And no, I'm not interested in getting the Battle for the Beacon items. Look how beautiful. I'm sure you'll fit beautifully in my nature den. I need to get out of here. Pugfluff's dens are always hideous, especially when she puts this in them. Also, I'm going out of town for 2 weeks, so don't expect videos for 2 weeks. This Saturday is when that starts, but I'll try and upload like daily this week. No, oh my god, I just found the taper again. I was really excited, but he's gone again. Excuse me, Animal Jam? Excuse me, I'm trying to do my outro, and you just said, have you seen the cool new panda paws in Jamal's diamond shop? For only 2 diamonds, this accessory can be yours this weekend only. I really don't need this in my life right now, Animal Jam. Alrighty kids, I think that's enough fooling around for today's video, but I'll see you in the next one, so make sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment if you liked the video. And if you're wondering why I have Halloween stuff in my den, actually 4th of July just ended, so Halloween's the next holiday, so get hyped for that, kids. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, so bye!